Good morning dear students. As you know that this is your English class. Through this video we are going to do remaining exercise of chapter number 11, that is contented for today. As you know that we have done our previous exercise B2, A and B and B1, and these question answer we have done in notebook. Now let us do the remaining exercise of this chapter. Firstly, we have to read this. Fast, simple. Read the sentences given below. Vani saw the moon in a bowl of water. The frog jumped into the pond. The last week, the boys played football every afternoon. Zamini and Frida swam every Sunday in the summer holidays. The past simple tense tells us about actions completed in the past. You can see here in the first and second sentence, वानी saw the moon in a bowl of water. वानी ने जो चंद्रमा था उसको कहाँ देखा? बॉल ऑफ वाटर में देखा, पानी के कटोरे में. द फ्रॉग जम्प्ड इनटू द पॉन्ड. जो फ्रॉग था वो पॉन्ड में कूद गया. इट द पास्ट सिंपल टेंस टेल्स अस, क्या बताता है पास्ट सिंपल टेंस? कि जो एक्शंस हैं वो पास्ट में ही कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. दे आर नॉट कंटिन्यू, वो अभी जारी नहीं है, वो हो चुके हैं. इट ऑल्सो टेल्स अस अबाउट हैबिट और रिपीटेड एक्शंस इन द पास्ट एंड लाइक 3 and 4. और ये हमें ये भी बताते हैं कि ये जो रिपीटेड, ये जो हमारी हैबिट्स हैं, इट ऑल्सो टेल्स अस अबाउट हैबिट्स और रिपीटेड एक्शंस इन द पास्ट. जो कि हमारी हैबिट्स हैं और जो कि रिपीटेड एक्शंस हैं पास्ट में, वो भी इस टेंस में आते हैं. लास्ट वीक द बॉयज़ प्लेड फुटबॉल एवरी आफ्टरनून. पिछले हफ्ते जो बॉयज़ थे वो प्रत्येक दोपहर में क्या खेलते थे? फुटबॉल. जामनी एंड फ्रीडा स्वयं एवरी संडे इन द समर हॉलीडेज. जामनी और फ्रीदा समर हॉलीडेज में प्रत्येक संडे को स्वयं करती थी. द पास्ट. नाउ लेट अस रीड द फॉलोइंग टेबल्स. आई डिड, वी डिड, यू डिड, you did, he did, she did, they did, it did. I didn't, I did not, you did not, he did not, she did not, it did not. This is the short form. I didn't, you didn't, he didn't, she didn't, and it didn't. Let us do plural. We did not, we didn't, you did not, you didn't, they did not, they didn't. Read the past and negative form of the following. Ate, did not eat. Bit, did not bite. Cried, did not cry. Hug, did not hug. Complete the given table. Wrote, did not write. Went. What is the base form of went? Is go. Okay, go, went, gone. So here we write, क्योंकि डिड के साथ क्या होता है? बेस फॉर्म मीन्स फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म. सो वी विल राइट हियर डिड नॉट गो. वाउट, डिड नॉट बाई, डिड नॉट फाइंड, फ्लू, डिड नॉट फ्लाई, हैड, डिड नॉट हैज. Next is we change the following sentences into negative sentences. One day Tommy saw a big brown cow. एक दिन टॉमी ने एक बिग ब्राउन काउ देखी. नाउ वी विल चेंज दिस सेंटेंस इनटू नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके, हमें क्या लगाना है? वन डे टॉमी सा. सो वी विल चेंज दिस. वन डे टॉमी डिड नॉट सी अ बिग ब्राउन काउ. आई डिड नॉट गिव अ सी सेल टू माई ब्रदर. The wasp did not bite dog on the nose. 3 men did not go to sea in a tub. You can pause the video, then you can write. Okay. The next is the tiger hid in the tall grass. The tiger did not hide in the tall grass. The small boys ran after the peacocks. The small boys did not run after the peacocks. Now let's read the following sentences. I was It's a table, not sentences. I was not happy. यहाँ पे क्या है? I was happy, मैं खुश था. I was not happy, मैं खुश नहीं था. Wasn't happy, it's short form. Was not को क्या कर दिया इन्होंने? Wasn't. Were not को क्या बोलेंगे? Weren't. In short, we will say were not, weren't. Okay. B, he was happy, he was not happy, he wasn't happy. She was happy, she was not happy, she wasn't happy. With singular noun or pronoun we will use was, and with plural we will use were. We were happy, you were happy, they were happy. These are negative sentence and these are short form. Let's do exercise C. Priya was late for school today. Priya was not late for school today. The children were happy. The children were not happy. The wood fairy was not kind to the fir tree. The villagers were afraid of the wolf. The villagers were not afraid of the wolf. Now complete the answers. Did Sarah pack the small cakes in the box? Yes, she did. Number 2 is, did little boy Blue look after his sheep? No, he didn't. We can write in short, he didn't, and I have written full form, he did not. Did the magic pot cook many tasty dishes? Yes, it did. Did the dogs say meow meow? No, they did not. Did the mouse help the tortoise to escape? Yes, it did. Did the Prime Minister give Bubbly a bravery award? Yes, he did. Exercise D is writing sentences, Betty's story. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Number of girls? 4. Number of girls standing? 3. Number of balloons 5. Count here. These are 5. Let's move. Complete the paragraph with phrases from the box. These are the phrases given here. One day, you can see here I have written the whole incident that happens with Betty. One day, Betty went to a party. When she came back, she told her mother a story. I hope that you have read the poem Betty at the Party. This is the paragraph taken by. This is a poem, and the author of the book made it a paragraph. You can see, one day Betty went to a party. When she came back, she told her mother a story. एक दिन क्या हुआ, बेटी पार्टी में गई थी. When she came, जब वो वापस आई, उसने अपनी मम्मा को एक स्टोरी सुनाई. She said, mother, something funny happened. उसने कहा कि आज पार्टी में कुछ फनी हो गया. At the party, a little girl fell down. एक छोटी सी लड़की गिर गई. On the floor पर. All the girls started laughing, but I didn't laugh. सभी लड़कियां हंसने लगीं, but मैं नहीं हंसी. Betty's mother was happy that her daughter was kind. बेटी की जो मदर थी वो बहुत खुश थी कि उनकी जो डॉटर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा दयालु है, काइंड है, and did not laugh at others, और दूसरों पर हंसती नहीं है. She said, God bless you, Betty. But why didn't you laugh? लेकिन उनने पूछा कि तुम क्यों नहीं हंसी. Betty replied, I didn't laugh because it was I who fell down. बेटी ने कहा कि मैं नहीं हंसी क्योंकि ये मैं ही थी जो गिर गई थी. तो कैसे हंसती है ना. Okay, listening and speaking. Say the following words after your teacher. Now repeat after me. Head. EA has a short sound. In this word, EA has a short sound. We say head, not heat. Okay. Now read this word. What is this? Beat. Yes. In this word, EA has a long sound. इस word में क्या है? EA का sound कैसा है? Long. Now read these words and decide whether it has long sound or short sound, then write in the group 1 and in the group 2. Okay. Beat, क्या हम इसे bleed पढ़ेंगे? No, we read it bread. Dream, it has long sound. Feather, short sound. Please, long sound. Treasure, long sound. Season, long sound. Okay. Teach, it has long sound. Thread, short sound. Heavy, short sound. Breath. Cheap, long sound. Thief, long sound. Spread, short sound. Beach, long sound. East, it has long sound. Cream, long sound. Death, short sound. Leaf, long sound. Hope you understood. Okay, now write these words in the correct column. Thank you and have a nice day.